Hello, I'm going to show you how to register for our EPIC PD, which is coming up on January 21st. I click the link that I received through email and it brings me here. I'm already logged in because I've used this website before. However, if you have not, you're going to need to go up to the right-hand corner and click the login with email. All right, and from there, you're going to see the schedule. I want you to click on all the sessions that you want to attend. So everyone will be at registration and breakfast. Everyone will be at the welcoming address. The 9 o'clock session, you need to find your grade level team. This is like your PLC. I'm world language, so I'm going to click that. Then 10:15, you get to choose what sessions you want. If you can decide between two sessions right now, that's fine. Just click both of them and it'll add them both to your schedule. And then you can decide later on exactly which one you're going to be attending. Lunch, definitely. Keynote, yes. 1:30. Let's see. I have these two Google Forms and Tech Toys. So far, 2:25, I'm definitely going to the one about Hogwarts. And then from there, you have everything checked. Then click down here on the bottom left. I have 10 items saved, and it's going to bring you to your profile. Then you can print if you want a paper copy, and it's going to tell you everything. And the room number. So you have the time, the session, the room number. And you could print it, you could download it. It's completely up to you. Or you could email it. So now a copy of your schedule has been sent to your email address. All right, it's not too difficult. If you have any questions, please let Diana Fetter know. Thank you.